banging, I air it out. With slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Ape SK8 back here once again, and as you can see, I got a pair of Apes to review for y'all. Before I get into everything, if you're new to the channel and you do like what you see in the video, show your boy some love, subscribe, turn on notifications, drop a like on the video, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram at RepKicks. With that out of the way, let's get right into these, man. These took about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get here with FedEx. That's my dog drinking in the background, ignore that. You know, double box bubble wrapped, same thing as always. These are from YesKicks. So you know, can't really expect anything less from them. Been rocking them with them since like early start of my channel, so I mean, been ordering from them. I don't condone buying any of this stuff you see on the channel. You guys do what you want with the money, like I do with mine, like I always say, but it's good to see kind of like a third person perspective on, you know, the products that you buy and what you're paying for. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Here's all the seller information right there. You got the website, email, WeChat, and if you use the code RepKicks on your first purchase per account, you can save yourself $15 site-wide. So that should be the same deal. That code's pretty old now, but it should work nonetheless. But it has to be once per account, so keep that in mind. Yeah, man, these came super clean. Let me get the shoes out of the way. Here's the box. You got the Ape camo all over. You know, nothing here, nothing there, just camo. Says a bathing ape there. This is kind of like a glossy texture here on the writing. Inside the box here, you got this little Ape head cardboard insert that kind of just goes over kind of the materials and whatnot. If y'all want, you can pause it there for the English. There we go. It does come with an extra pair of insoles here. So you got the Ape camo insert or insoles. They're kind of mad. They just look like aerated, you know, perforated. That's it. So nothing crazy there. And then last but not least, you got this Ape dust bag with the Ape head on there. And that's that, basically. And then obviously the paper and whatnot. No StockX stuff, nothing like that. On these shoes, if you want, you can ask that they include like a StockX tag and the sticker and whatever else they include. I'm not super anal about that, I don't really care, frankly. So that's that. That's what you get in the box. Let's put the box to the side. Check out the shoes. I don't know the exact you know, name for these. I'll find out and I'll put it in the title. But yeah, I think they're just regular Ape Stas. I'm not entirely sure. They did come super clean though. You can check them out here, kind of see. So you got kind of like a mix of material. This is kind of like a canvas like material. Then you got like the patent leather for the star all stitched in there nicely. And you got kind of like this more textured elephant leather here. Not actual elephant, just looks like elephant skin, obviously. Same goes for the toe box. And then coming up to the upper as well, you can see. So these are independent little wings right here. So if you want, you can take it out and have them hanging, you know. You got 93 there, and then Ape right here on the midsole. You can see the paint. There are some, you know, kind of paint bleeding and whatnot here. Nothing major, but figure I'd go over it anyways. Back of the shoe, you got a Ape Sta embroidery on that elephant print leather. And yeah, nothing crazy. A little bit of glue there, looks like, or like a scuff mark, something like that. But overall, super pleased with the quality, frankly. You can see stitching straight on everything. So yeah, you know, as always, I'll let you guys be the judge of what you see. I just post the videos and you guys can make your mind up from that. I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with the money, like I do with mine, like I always say. But, you know, at the end of the day, that's what the videos are there for. Watch them, make your decision based off that. So here you got the insole. It's just a Ape Sta insole. These are the ones that came on the shoe. And then there, you got your size tag. Ignore my dog in the background playing with the toy. You got size US 10. These are US 10, obviously. And what does that say? 28 centimeters, a bathing ape? I don't know. 28 centimeters, I guess, would be the translation to size 10. I don't know. Anyways, you got the Ape SK8 tag right here. Underneath, if I can get a good shot of this for y'all. Kind of just like the regular stuff you'd see on a pair of like Nike Dunks or Jordan 1s. You know, just some warnings or whatever, history behind the shoe. You got some nice flat cream laces on them. No extra laces came with the shoes, so keep that in mind, obviously. You just get the one set. Bottom of the shoe, got the star there, looks dope. Obviously keep that in mind that these are kind of like Air Force One / Dunk, Nike Dunk mixes. So just obviously in the Bape styling and whatnot. But yeah, that's the right shoe. Left shoe, same thing. You guys can check it out. Make sure the qualities match. So you got some glue here and there, but nothing major. Nice clean embroidery on the back. These are the first pair of Bape kicks I've actually gotten a hold of, so not for myself, but yeah, I got enough Dunks myself anyways. Yeah man, there's not too much else to say. Same thing going on both shoes. If you guys do see anything I may have missed, feel free to let me know. And yeah, basically it, man. Got the Bape SKs. If you're new to the channel, do like what you see in the video, obviously, support it, show some love, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, you know, follow my Instagram at RevStuffTV, link is in the description as per usual. And with that being said, guys, I'm gonna let y'all go enjoy the rest of your day, night, morning, whatever time it is when you're watching this. And yeah man, stay tuned for more videos. I got a couple clothing reviews on the way from a new website, so if you stuck around this long to the end of that, to the end of this video, you can expect that. A couple mystery boxes actually, one V-Lone, one and then one I think Chrome Hearts. So yeah, keep in mind, stay tuned. And yeah man, I'm gonna let y'all go. Peace out.